Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set any custom song as alarm sound in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to set any of your custom song as your alarm sound, so let's see how can you do that. You can do this very simply. You just have to need this app here, GarageBand. If you can't find the app, so you can easily install it from your app store. Just open your app store and you go for search. You have to simply search for GarageBand and you will get that app here. So once you have installed, just tap on open and the app will be open in your phone. Now in your app, you might see a this type interface. You just have to swipe right to select audio recorder. Just select this from here. And now just tap on this file option here. And here you have to import your file. You have to check this triangle that is white, not blue. If you find this blue, just tap on it and it will be white. Then tap on this loop option, then select files. Now just tap on this browse items from files. Tap on my iPhone, select the folder where you have saved your file or your music. Let's I'm gonna select downloads from here. Just select any random download and it will be moved here on this section. You just have to select the file from here and keep a long press on it, then move it to your timeline. So once it has been done, now just tap on this arrow option, then select my songs, and you will find that here. Just tap on GarageBand for iOS, and here you will get your ringtones you have saved, or you can also tap on this recent section and then select your ringtone you have just created. Let's say I want to select my song here. You can see that I have just created this one. And just repeat that step. Go to my songs here. Just look for this. Just keep a long press on it. Then tap on the share option. Then select ringtone to set this on ringtone. Now just tap on this my song and you can rename it if you want. Let's say I'm gonna select custom ringtone. Just select custom ringtone. I'm gonna also enter any random numbers here. Then tap on export. Once I've done, just tap on OK. So your ringtone is now ready. Just go back and you just have to create a new alarm. Now just tap on or you open your clock app and here just tap on this plus option to add a new alarm. So here just select sound and you just have to select the sound or the ringtone which you have just created. As I have created this one, I'm gonna select this. Just tap on it, then go back. And now you have to set up the time or the date whether you want to set your alarm. Then tap on this done option and your alarm is now successfully set. So in this way you can easily set a custom alarm sound on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.